ng Longfong! Heaven! Good morning, guys! It is our fourth day in Hong Kong, and our agenda for today is going to the Peak Tram, wherein we're gonna explore the whole city, the Hong Kong Central itself. We're no longer going to Macau since we kind of want to go back to the city and eat Hong Kong food because we haven't explored that much yet. And I'll show you around the hotel because I realized hindi ko pa napapakita yung swimming pool. So, actually, the overview of the swimming pool is like this. Ganyan siya. Very pretty. Walang nagsiswimming ngayon because it's really, really hot. So, I'll check on you guys later. Pretty. Really, may automatic cleaner. Yun. Ay mo. Diyos ko, guys. Ang tatay ko napaka-performative. Makulit na siya, guys. Ibig sabihin, magaling na siya. So, yun ang aming hotel amenities. Now, we're going to Hong Kong Central via the Tung Chung train. So, isang diretso lang yun, right? Isang diretso lang siya. Guys, we're in Hong Kong Central. We found Tim Ho Wan. Pero hindi pa ata siya open. Ito yun. Ito. Saan? Guys, may nagbo-board exam dito. Di, wag ka maingay. Wag ka maingay. Board exam ni Mama. Go, Ma. Top-notcher yarn. We ordered, guys, the fried squid. Good. Top yun. Chicken feet, squid, crispy squid, there's siomai, hakao, and we ordered something else pa. Grabe yung prawn. Grabe yung prawn. Ang laki. Siomai. Sarap. Iba yung siomai dito nila, guys. Sarap. Buong buo. Like yung shrimp, buo yung shrimp, kanya. Sa atin kasi minced shrimp lang. Hop. Wow, guys.
Matamis. Dessert siguro eh.
Lagyan mo. It's dessert. Pero may toyo. Wait, guys. Kain tayo.
Message mo na kuya mo. Si kuya.
Kasing lasa niya yung sa dim-dim sum. Parang parasong sila. Pero, try natin with the jam. Better with the jam. Ang iba lasa niya. That's Tim Ho Wan, guys. In Hong Kong MTR. If you want to go to the peak, you guys have two choices. Either take the bus or take the peak tram. However, in this video, we are taking the bus going to the peak because we haven't discovered the peak tram yet. So for the bus, it's the most affordable ride. It's only 13 Hong Kong dollars per passenger. It will give you an amazing view of the city. Definitely, you can spot some differences with the view and the experience from the bus and from the peak tram. If you want a more sensational experience, definitely take the peak tram. But if you do not mind at all and you just want to see the beautiful city of Hong Kong, I would recommend taking the bus instead. And guys, 13 Hong Kong dollars, come on, it's a steal. But if you want to choose both ways, you can actually go to the peak via the bus and then go down to the city via the peak tram. That can be an option if you want to experience both. Guys, nahanap na namin yung bus. Medyo nalito kami going here kasi yun yung banda na nakita namin. And then we asked someone. Sabi daw babalik ng IFC. Buti na lang nakita ni Mami yung bus 15. And then dito kami sa harapan. Sa harapan kayo. So if you're planning to DIY this from Tung Chung, let's say you're staying sa Nobu Hotel, from Tung Chung Station, bababa kayo ng Hong Kong Station, which is the last one. And then, you're gonna cross sa IFC Square. Tapos, mahanap yun to. Actually, you can just Google it. Ang ginawa namin kasi sobrang gulo. As in, sobrang gulo na hindi ko kayang i-explain. Kasi kumain pa kami sa Tim Ho Wan. So, yun yung aming priority. Pero, yeah. Siguro what I can just say, this is the bus terminal. Find platform E, bus 15, na nakalagay, the peak. Yun. Yun na yun. Yun na masasabi ko, guys. Let us see where this adventure will take us. We're here, guys. Peak Gallery. Ang tagal din pala. Natulog ako. Tulog pala ako eh. Ang tagal din. Buti may bus. Papunta diretso na. So, mall ba to or something? Hindi namin alam. As a first timer. So, parang mall din pala siya. Pero hinahanap na namin yung mismo. You know, peak. The peak. Oh my God, meron silang ano dito, Pop Mart. OMG, look. Ayan yung ano, you know, yung naka-raincoat siya na yellow. Pinagkakaguluhan yun sa Pilipinas. $95 HKD, guys. Same price lang sa Philippines. 700 din. Ang cute-cute niya. Parang collaboration with Kodak. Ito yung sayo. Nilagyan lang nila ng kapote.
But the ice is more...
Mas singkit. Nabili namin, guys. Shopping si Madam. At least ito walang pila. Kasi sa atin sold out. Yes! Na-addict na siya, guys. Nakaluod yarn. Wala, gitna talaga.
Ginamit ako ng pragmatic na...
As we're trying to navigate, yung harap namin, that's already the peak tram. This one. Pero may libreng observation deck sa taas. So let's try to go up first. Parang ito rin yung nakita ko sa sa TikTok. Yung famous na breakfast spot. Yan. Monopoly Dreams. Wow. Bundok-bundok din. This is just free, guys. Punta kayo sa pinakataas taas na floor ng mall.
Go up for tram. Pero tapos,
So sinasabi mo, di ba train? Yung train pataas papunta dito.
oo.
Ito na
Ito na yung
Ito
end
na yun.
nila.
Ito na yun. Kung nag-train ka.
Ganun pala yun. Hindi namin alam, guys.
Well, saan pa siya aakyat? Seven.
Oo nga, no? Saan pa nga siya aakyat, sis? Grabe, so nag-shortcut tayo, guys. Pasensya na, ha? First time namin dito sa Peak Tram. We've never been here before. Ano, guys, pag nagtitipid kayo, mag-bus na lang kayo papuntang The Peak. Ito na yun. Ito na yung The Peak. Hindi na kami magta-tram pataas. Na-appreciate natin yung view. Napadali yung buhay natin dahil sa bus. At nag-save pa kami ng pera kasi yung fare ng bus namin, guys, is only 13 Hong Kong dollars. Dire-diretso na yun from the bus station a while ago.
Ha?
Unbox na namin, guys, yung napamili namin sa Pop Mart para magamit ni Mama pang picture-picture. But the problem is, out of stock na siya sa atin.
Feel.
Here, it's 1,800. Ang cute! Wow! Ang ganda ng lalagyan, ah.
Ay, kodak, mahulog to.
Uy! Ang cute, guys, ng camera niya. Pop Mart pala eh. ASMR.
Siyempre na lalagyan.
Pwede na siya, ano? Pwede mo na isabit.
Pwede mo sabi.
Yung isa kasi wala. Ang cute!
Ayun na sa
Ang
bag.
cute! Ganda, guys. So pretty.
Dutuan.
Ano yung train? Pababa. So guys, pinicture ni Mama yung mga prices sa tram. Ito siya. I'll just put it here. So, since pabalik lang kami, 82 Hong Kong dollars. Tapos yung balikan is 116. Actually, hindi ko gets. Ito yung may return.
Oo.
Mas mura.
ang back and forth.
Mas mura ang back and forth kasi 116 Hong Kong dollars. Pero yung single lang, like papunta or pabalik, is 82 Hong Kong dollars isa. Mapatak ng 600 pesos per person. Guys, ang cute ng dog! Look! Natakot ako do. Ang cute! So fluffy! Yan yung bus namin. Going back.
Mauna ba tayo sa train?
Mauuna pa daw tayo sa trend.
Hindi
Ay,
na ba po pala?
parang nasa ride si Daddy, guys.
即将带领你回到市区，别错过你身边的
Yung view, so pretty. Grabe, ang bilis ng bus.
白蛋，打开，即刻回上中環站。你可以喺獨立車路向前往南對方香港專門嘅集巴士區。 Guys, bumalik kami sa TST area kasi hindi pa namin napupuntahan yung K11. So pretty, oh. May dome pala yan. Hong Kong Museum of Art. This one, the K11 Musée. Ay nako guys. Hindi ko lang kung ikwento ko sa inyo. Pero meron nakakainis sa tourist kanina. Hindi siya Hong Konger. I won't say na lang. Pero minamadali niya kami mag-cross. But the thing is, the stoplight for the light for the pedestrian is red. So naka-stop. Gusto niyang umabante kami. Medyo nakakainis lang guys. Kasi kahit red yung light, syempre common sense pag red yung light, diba? Hindi ka pupunta, hindi ka diretso. Gusto niya dire-diretso kami. Papahamak niya pa kami. Ay, anyways guys.
Not only that, but the fact that she has kids, guys. She has one toddler and one baby on a stroller. So she really insists for us to go even if it's on a red light. And mind you, the street is very busy with cars. She really disrespected us and even shouted at my mom, forcing her to cross the road, which is very unacceptable. Though I hope that you guys won't experience these types of situations, and I hope that you will remember to respect the locals in the country that you will be visiting and even the tourists as well. So let's move on, guys, because Yapper is so cute. Let's go with Pokemon right now. I have to say, super overpriced nung ibang Pokemon cards dyan. So, madaya sila. Charot.
Look at this, guys. Wow! Yung feed ko sa TikTok lately, puro squishies. This is almost 20 Hong Kong dollars. Pastry. I can try here. It's so soft. It's so soft. It's Japanese. 20 Hong Kong dollars as well. Oh. Wow. Wala kami mahanap guys sa K11. Kaya, babalik kami dyan. Sa aming favorite Longfang Mall. Happy si Mama! Longfang na naman kami! Eto. Moisturizing daw. 80 lang. Para saan? Like, eto na lang. Mahal ah. No. It's expensive. Ano nga?
现在的香水全部都差不多，因为一年来一次嘛，快点没，快要没了啦。不过没关系。
Ito yung... Oh my god, I like I want this one. Poppy and barley. Yeah. May mabango rin kanina eh. Yung wild bluebell. That's also nice.
英国梨，然后下面那个字是什么？因为英国梨有3种。
Guys, we're here in Ladies Market. So, ito yung parang Changi nila. Ngayon lang kami ulit makakarating dito. But, lesson learned from last trip. That was like 2014 ata, 2015. There was a time kasi na parang tuturo si Daddy. And then, kinukulit na siya ng tindera. Tapos, hindi lang kinukulit, kinukurot na rin si Daddy na bilhin niya na daw yung magnet. Yung ending, nabili na namin. So, lesson learned. $10 lang ha, mas mura. Lesson learned, hindi ako nagtuturo or something right now. Hindi rin ako naghahawak. Ayos lang. Di, huwag kang tuturo-turo dyan. Makukurot ka na naman. Sige lang. Eto, mango pomelo. Parang mango sago. Eto na lang. Durian.
Ice cream. Matamis siya.
Isa, gas jelly. Sago, it's poppy. Ang ano?
Lagyan mo lang na.
Guys, the honeydew sorbet with nata de coco is 42 Hong Kong dollars. While the mango with grass jelly is 45. Hindi siya masyadong matamis. Pero masarap siya. And then, ang cute nung parang pearls. Kasi nagpa-pop talaga. Ito ano. And the nicest thing about this, nasa gitna lang sila ng ladies market. Tapos pwede kang umupo. Kasi we saw like a milk tea shop. The one po. However, wala silang upuan. Ay, may longpong. Ayun yung malaking longpong. Oh my gosh. Hi guys. We're fully recharged kasi we just ate sweets and then we saw a restaurant that can be a place where for us to eat dinner. So, this is Mongkok at night. It's so pretty.
Kakain lang namin, ha?
Yun lang nga. Nakakain lang namin ng dessert, tapos nag-iisip na kami for dinner. Hindi kasi the problem, yung sa hotel kasi namin, the only option we have is the grocery pag tuwing gabi na. Kasi wala masyadong restaurants doon. Besides McDo. Kung saan yung okay, saan yung... Kasi wala masyadong nag-recommend from TikTok doon sa Tongchong area. Ang laki ng longpong! Wow, heaven! Heaven! $100. Ito yung binibili ko na moisturizer. Sa Japan na lang daw. Ito yung pinuntahan niya. Real. For that price. Sa mall, mabango siya. For 190. Kaso maliit lang yan eh. Ito na. $328. Wala malaki. Wali. Yan lang. Maliit lang. Wali. Mga Tanders. Tanders Club. Tiger Balm. 118. Expensive siya. I'll get this one. Sakit ng ulo. Tapos, yung pahinga. Puro Japanese snacks. Wala bang Chinese? OMG. Buti na lang. Dito, para mas maraming selection ng pangpasalubong. Pero may hinahanap ka kasi kaming Joe Malone na scent, which is Poppy and Barley. Naghanap kami ng 100 ml nun. So, pupunta kami sa kabilang Longfong kasi mas maraming cosmetics. Dito maraming pasalubong. Mismo. Sige, para sa akin. Bata pa ako. Para sa akin. Ayan naman. Taiwan tayo, guys. Sige, kunin mo na yan, ma. $14 lang naman yan. Yun sa taas, oh. Kaso mahal. Yun talaga sa kanila. Yung honey sun cake. 32? Anda. Bulky. Sige, dalawanin mo na yung Taiwan mo, guys.
Pilipino, ube.
Guys, yan palang nabibili namin, guys. Grabe. Tapos bumili rin kami nito.
Punta tayo ng Hong Kong para sa Dubai Chocolate.
Tapos ito lang nabili namin, guys. So, ganito lang. Para sa amin ni Mama. Go, Mom. Ito yung mga favorite ni Mama eh. Yung mga dried squid. Paborito niya yan. Pupunta kami ng Ongping para dyan. Salmon?
I want to buy for
Sige. Anyways, we're here again.
唔係啊，你知我之前買啲好細支嗰隻好快嘅。
EDP，我知，因為以前我哋未有 EDP 㗎。
Ay nako guys, we're going back to the original Longfong. Ang weird ng mga tao dito, ang susungit. Like kanina, pabili na ako ng Jo Malone. Sabi ko, they have a bigger size. Sabi niya, wala. Sabi ko, sige, kunin ko na yung maliit. Sabi ko, okay, I'll get the small one. Hindi na ako pinansin. Like, tumitingin lang siya sa resibo niya and nagpo-phone na lang siya. Pwede wag. Or maybe he doesn't understand me. People here are so weird. Tapos yung kanina pa na-experience namin sa TST, hindi naman siya Hong Konger, but ibang lahi kasi. So, I don't know, guys. Today is a mixed day. Guys, nakabili na ako ng Jo Malone. Nag-iisang coffee and barley. Dito pinansin ako. Yun doon, walang pag-asa. I only bought a small size because wala yung malaki. Yung malaki sana, pero wala. At least.
Goodbye, Hong Kong.
Goodbye, Hong Kong.
Bye-bye.
I don't know, guys. Maybe it's just the day today. Sobrang daming nangyari.
The next day.
Good morning, guys. We're going to check out today. It's currently 9 a.m. in the morning, and we plan going to Dongongpin cable cars to go to the Buddha. And then I don't know what's our plans for the rest of the afternoon, but our flight going back to Manila is around 5:50 p.m. So definitely we need to go back here in the hotel to get our things because iiwan namin siya mamaya. So convenient lang dito is that meron na kaming transportation, like a shuttle bus from this hotel going to the airport. So, no problem na kami doon. We don't need to, like, unlike dati sa mga previous Japan trips namin, we had to book a van pa just to go to Narita Airport kasi sobrang dami naming bitbit. But now, very convenient yung shuttle bus na meron sa hotel. So it's a bit of a gloomy morning, not because of the weather, but because I misplaced my sunglasses, which I really know na naiwan ko lang siya dito sa hotel, and I have pictures, have proof na suot-suot ko pa siya nung gabi na yon. And then we were looking for it na hindi pa namin siya nakahanap. So I don't know saan na siya. Wala, we looked every surface inside this hotel, pero wala talaga. We checked our things, wala din. So kung mahanap ko siya sa Pilipinas, which is a very small chance, that's gonna be good. Pero kung hindi, wala na talaga siya. So, unfortunately,
my shades are missing. But, yeah. Kaya medyo, like, if you napapansin nyo, yung mood ko for this intro is medyo mababa. Because, like, I lost something. So, guys! So, we were supposed to pay tickets here. Like, bibili na lang sana kami dito kasi hindi kami nakabook sa Klook. Pero nung nakita namin yung presyo, around $300 Hong Kong dollars. I don't know. I'll just put it here. Pero nakita namin $300 Hong Kong dollars. Medyo nagpanic kami, guys.
Jenny, taas natin.
Yay. Guys, you can go on a hike kasi may mga trailway. You can go by foot, but it's too far. May falls dun, guys. Ganda. Tas ang foggy. Grabe, guys. Ang tagal din pala. Akala ko maiksi lang. Pero hindi. Ang tagal. Ito ang tinatawag nilang Gongping Village. Yeah. Para kaming nasa helicopter kanina kasi ano lang, chilling, and then mahangin.
This one 298.
Nag-alok sila, guys, ng picture. Nagulat ako. Hala, picture ko yan, ah. Magkano daw? 290 HKD yung picture mismo. Cute naman, pero maganda rin naman siya. Grabe, magkano yung conversion na yun, sister? Ay, nakalagay do not tap. Itatap ko sana. Hawak mo ang beat. Hawak mo ang beat. Toot! Tatouch ko na lang. Fortunes. Toot! Success. Toot! Bro. This is the village. Subway. Subway. Ang ganda, guys. Si Plantita. OMG, guys. Deja vu. Grabe. Pero di namin makikita si Boda. Dati kumain tayo dito, diba? Ano yung pinakain? Congee lang ata yun eh, tsaka bao.
Tapos may ano, parang taho.
Grabe, everyone, ano na to? Tignan natin kung aabot kami sa dulo. Here na. Hiningal na ako. Mama! Okay, let's go. Go, Mom! So guys, we bought bracelets. So last time, we also bought here. So marami siya. So tigi-isa kami yung family. So this one's the first one, rose quartz, which is for love daw and good sleep. And then, eto naman for good health, the white one. Tapos, binilhan din namin si Kuya. Good health din kay Daddy. Itong black. And then si Kuya naman for career. So put the prices here. That's it for our Buddha trip. I don't know where we are next.
Tapos picture tayo na baka.
Okay. Ay, sabi sa ba, pwedeng
Higa ka dyan?
higa daw si Mama dito, guys. Dahil solo lang namin ibigla.
Lipat na tayo. Ganda pala sa...
Bye-bye, Hong Kong! Thank you! Don't forget to like and subscribe!